All right, so just a nice big summary of 10.2 and 10.3. How do you know what data display to pick? There's a couple of just some tips and tricks as to which one you would use, especially when you're teaching this in your classroom. I've given a ton, but how do you know which one? And so your bar graph, you're going to be used mainly with categories. So bar graphs are going to be used to compare groups of categories. Histogram is similar to the bar graph, except you've got number intervals at the bottom. So bar graphs have categories at the bottom. The example we had in our notes was days of the month, January, February, March, April, versus a histogram we had number of hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean. They had numerical intervals at the bottom. Stem and leaf plot is going to be used to show individual values in the data set over intervals. And then our scatter plots are going to be looking at relationship between two things. So the big word there is you're looking at the relationship. Our line graph you are looking how it changes over time, normally used with continuous data like years, age. And then lastly, our circle graph is going to be used to look at parts of a whole. So how things break down in the whole 100% down into parts. Typically, our circle graphs will have percentages associated with it. Make sure you know these. You will definitely see this again in the very near future.